Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. When I woke up this morning and saw it, I was so excited. I couldn't believe that we are 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. 6 months ago when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. Bonjour. Bonjour. Is that you? Go Tyler, play.
Puxa, regarde.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hope you all are having a wonderful weekend, a wonderful day. Let's get the vlog started. We're having a wonderful family weekend. Hubby's dad is here to visit us, so we're gonna have a blast. We're gonna have a good time. He haven't seen Tyler in a while, so he came to visit him and bring him gift and all that. So we're here just chit-chatting and having a good family time. So let's get straight to the vlog. Catch you guys in a bit. Papa, bring your gift, Tyler. You're pulling your gift all by yourself? You're pulling your gift? You know he's pulling it all by himself. Pretty, you're pulling your gift. We're actually on the bus doing a last minute decision to bring my father-in-law down by the famous street. So we're on our way to the promenade on the bus though, because if it was to find parking at this time of the evening, it would be crazy. So we are just taking the bus because since we're new in the area, we don't really know exactly where down there to park it. So we're just taking the bus just for safety. So Tyler is here. You gonna say hi, Papa? Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Tyler fall asleep. Sleepyhead. Malika Sleeping Beauty. What is that? You say, oh, what is that? Papi playing music for you? Go, Tyler, go.
C'est le musicien de la...
Come. Come play yours. Come play yours. Go play with Papi. Go. Is that you? Go Tyler, play.
Puxa, regarde. T'as vu, voilà votre installation, votre appartement. Bienvenue. Yo, home.
Et puis, bon, t'es le premier visiteur.
Chin.
Yeah, by the first visitor we have. You're just eating away, huh? Hey beauties, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is a brand new day. Okay, brand new day. And we had so much fun last night with the father-in-law. He had fun playing guitar for Tyler, and I made dinner. We chit-chat a bit and we were getting so tired, so we went to bed. We wrap up the night, and now we're getting ready to take him to town, and we're going to also go to that beautiful lookout spot that we went just the other day. If you check the vlog previously, you know exactly where I'm talking about. So yeah, we're about getting ready to head out. And somebody want to say good morning? Come here, Tada. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say hello. Hello, everybody. So there you guys have it, a quick good morning, and we're heading out on the town, so we'll catch you guys on our way. The sun is so hot. We actually went on a little Christmas shopping spree for Tyler, and we're actually now going to try and find something to eat. Because it's close to Christmas, so there's so many people on the road, there's so many shops open, and people is looking at me like I'm crazy talking to a camera as usual.
Hi everybody, happy Sunday.
And that's my father-in-law's. Hey papa. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
We are trying to figure out where to go to for lunch, and we can't find any spot to say. Everywhere is full because it's height of lunch hour. Oh, Buffalo is down there. It's the height of lunch hour, but I think we're going to Buffalo Grill just across from us, so we're trying to get there fast. Look at the school fountain, you guys. You good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. The grubbing. We came, we ate, and we conquered. Empty. Full. Full, papa. Dessert. Tell you full or you want more? No? We finished having lunch and we are walking to go to the Lunette. We are walking to go to the, I think we're going all the way up this hill. Bring daddy to the lookout from that point of view, but we're on the beach right now, and I swear to you guys that I can literally take off my jacket. Look at these cute little boats just strolling by. People sitting down there. Isn't this awesome? Look, the amount of people sitting on the beach. It's crazy. Tyler balloon fell and out. Poor baby looking at his balloon on the floor. Tyler, where did your balloon go, baby? Your balloon fell. Hush. Your balloon fell, don't cry, it's okay. Look the amount of people just enjoying this sun and the beach right now. That way is better. Say hey. We are in in an elevator going up. We're going to the lookout spot, but we're in an elevator going up this time because we have the stroller. We're going up. Got out the elevator, and this is our view from the elevator. Awesomeness. I could come up this place every single day. Done, babe? Bisous. Forever crazy. My boo boo. Tyler. Say hello. Papa taking pictures. He's here. I could come up this place every day. Every day. Made it to the top once again, of course. Each time we come here, it's as breathtaking as it can possibly be. Another view. You guys, you have to come and visit Nice. No jokes. This is this afternoon's sunset, which is looking amazing, you guys. Amazing. It's hard for me to have myself and the sunset in the frame at the same time. You guys, we're back home, and can you tell how tired I am? We had a super long day, but it was fun bonding with the father-in-law, having so much fun today. We had so much fun, but I'm tired and I won't even cook this afternoon. Yes, baby. He's about to leave to head back home right now. It was fun while it lasted. It was really good having him here. So we officially have our very first visitor. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, because we sure did have a wonderful weekend with the papa. The sun is just slowly going down. I realize that when I'm in the frame, it really focuses on me and don't have the sunset in the background. So I'm giving you guys a lot of the sunset this evening, which is such a beauty. See, it's focusing on me and not really having the sunset in the background. Yes, baby. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here because we're very tired. Yes, baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. And thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. When I woke up this morning and saw it, I was so excited. I couldn't believe that we are 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. 6 months ago when I started this YouTube channel, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. All I wanted to do was share clips of Tyler laughing away, because he's such a laughing and happy baby. And then I slowly found out about vlogging, and then I tried it, and then vlogging turned into something else. But yeah, it's going very well, and we're really excited about 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And as we continue to grow, yes honey, bring you guys along with us. And yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, enjoy your journey with us, and don't be a stranger. Catch up and keep up, and we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.